Hey everybody, welcome to our last due date. Can you believe it? Our course is over. I just wanted to say before I show you a couple things with this last due date that it has been such a pleasure working with you all and learning more about your writing and working with you on making it better and stronger. And I hope that no matter where your life takes you, you remember things like the rhetorical situation and always consider your audience and the genre that you're writing in and the purpose and why you're writing. Writing is a powerful, wonderful human thing that we have, and I hope that all of you take that away as you move into your lives and your majors, and I hope that you've all gotten something meaningful out of class. So thank you all for being a part of this course, and let's go ahead and talk about what's due, because once you're done with today, you're done. So revising reflections is the name of this due date. Basically there are two parts. There's a revision plan in Eli Review, which you've done before, so nothing new there, but I want you to specifically think about notes. Just remember this: notes for each drag and drop comment and a final note on the revision plan that includes a discussion of any missed criteria and plans for revision. This is going to be important because some of you have forgotten in the past to leave a note for each drag and drop comment. So if there's something that one of your peers said that seemed useful, all I want you to do is just make a mention of why it's useful or what you're going to change or how you're going to address the comment or revision. And so that's what I want you to do for that one, as that's our last time in Eli Review. And then once you have a chance to actually go through and make the revisions to your portfolio and your reflected essay, then you're going to put it all together and submit it. So two things about submitting your work. You're going to be submitting it as a link to your portfolio, which is what you did before for the rough draft. So two things. One, make sure that the link works and is live and goes to your portfolio. That is the first thing I want you to double and triple check. Second, double and triple check that each button or link to your Google Drive work also works and also has the proper access settings. So make sure that both of those things are good to go before you submit your link. And so that's the one thing that I wanted to make sure is, all of the links work before you submit. If you're in 197B, our workshop group, basically there's a small assignment to have you reflect on the process of our conferencing throughout the last couple of weeks. I know for me it was really great to get to know each one of you in person, since we're not all in the same room together, a couple of days a week. So that was really fun and insightful for me. So I hope you enjoyed them as well. And then if you are one of the ones who signed up for the extra video conference, that's here, but that is optional. So once you're done with that, you are done with the course. So congratulations, pat yourself on the back, go and do something to celebrate. And I hope you always know that, even if I'm not your instructor anymore here, I will always be your instructor. So if you ever need a letter of recommendation, don't hesitate to ask me. If you ever need to work on your writing for something specific as far as school or work, never hesitate to email me. I'm very available, and I hope you guys will keep in touch.